The EX3 Labs team has had the privilege of assisting some of the world's largest organizations in using design thinking, human-centered principles, and rapid prototyping methods. One of the observations that we've made is that large organizations struggle less in ideation, but more in prioritizing high-value ideas and seeking buy-in, funding, and resources to prevent an idea from being placed on a shelf. As a result, we developed high-impact design, a comprehensive framework and process for answering critical business questions through collaborative strategy, ideation, and design. Developed specifically for enterprises, high-impact design helps organizations produce solutions with higher value and greater speed while reducing risk normally associated with large-scale initiatives. In addition, it's the perfect precursor to the Agile method, such as Scrum, and integrates perfectly with design thinking methods. There are three major pillars of high-impact design. First, human-centered and value-driven definition. Second, iterative and rapid delivery. And third, continuous and data-driven evaluation. The word impact is an acronym for inputs, measurements, prototypes, assessment, commitment, and traction. Let's dive into the meaning of each of these and how they map to the pillars. First, we have human-centered and value-driven definition, which includes inputs and measurements. Inputs are designed to ensure your organization has a steady pipeline of new ideas from customers, partners, and your workforce. These are typically designed to help solve a current and future challenge. Measurements enable your organization to build a mechanism for new idea consideration, prioritization, and measuring them against overarching organizational objectives. Measurements can include revenue, customer retention, productivity, efficiency, risk reduction, and other quantifiable areas. Next, we'll cover the second pillar, iterative and rapid delivery, which encompasses prototypes and assessments. Prototypes gather evidence, typically derived from an experiment or a pilot project, which demonstrates that a design concept or business proposal is feasible. This includes stakeholder buy-in in the form of a roadshow, or perhaps a customer buy-in through field testing. Assessments help structure the evaluation process of an idea or concept through both qualitative and quantitative outputs. You'll typically see activities such as user testing and other forms of product validation within the assessment category. The last pillar is continuous and data-driven evaluation, which includes commitment and traction. Let's start with commitment. Commitment asks, what does it take to move forward and who owns it? Obtaining the commitment and sponsorship necessary to ensure a product can continue an iterative validation process is where many organizations fall short. Commitment can include budget, resources, or even prioritization. While traction is creating accountability for the prototypes, pilots, or proof of concepts in order to demonstrate incremental value and show results over a specific time period. It also includes providing a system for measuring progress, impediments, and determining if an idea needs to be sunsetted. High-impact design from EX3 Labs includes dozens of exercises to structure your innovation process. Each exercise helps your team regardless of what type of ideation process they're in. Activities are digitized to make it easier for you to facilitate design thinking activities in a remote environment. And high-impact design is designed for scalability and includes micro-learning video trainings from EX3 design thinkers. Each training is between 3 and 5 minutes, so it's extremely lightweight and can be adopted by anyone in your organization regardless of their background. On behalf of the EX3 Labs team, I'd like to welcome you to the world of high-impact design. And our team of digital strategists, business consultants, and design thinkers are here to help you along your innovation journey.